डॉक्टर सागर को गुस्सा क्यों आता है? Why were you so angry? The Prime Minister wants to draft in more medical students, junior resident doctors, everyone into the COVID fight, exams postponed. Why are you so angry at the moment then, Dr. Sagar? Tell me.
I mean, if we cannot, raise the health infrastructure at this crisis, then we are never going to do it for the probably next 100 years or 200 years. At this crisis also, you are still, trying to exploit the students rather than, considering for more recruitment and more hiring already qualified doctors. But what you want to do is, when you want to scapegoat the students, just because they are within the contract period, just because they are like, treating them like bonded laborers. This is what triggers me, that they're not considering even the alternate options, like, recruiting the already qualified doctors, but they want to exploit the students. That's what makes me angry.
No, for example, the Prime Minister in his communique said medical personnel completing 100 days of COVID duties will be given priority in regular government recruitments. Medical interns will be deployed in COVID management duties. Those who complete 100 days of COVID duty will be given Prime Minister's distinguished COVID National Service Samman. You don't want all of this?
I mean, what has the awards got to do? I mean, last year also in the first wave, armed forces flowered, a lot of flowers and petals on us. Does that give us anything? It hardly amounts to nothing in practical reality, having a certificate. And also when it comes to this 100 days, again, it is not for any other job or anything. They have said that for NEET PG exam, those candidates who have the certificate will be given a priority. If working 100 days will give them a priority, what about all the doctors, those who have worked for last 400 days? Since last March we have been working. What do we get? Nothing in return. And on the other hand, that is probably in a note to threaten the NEET PG aspirants, saying that if you don't have this certificate, we'll make this certificate an eligibility criteria to take a NEET PG seat, which is a threatening tone at which probably the government is saying. And also when it says 100 days, 3 days into the announcement, what they're more focused is on media interviews and, leaving a tweet. Has there been any guidelines that has been drafted and sent in the last 3 days on how they are going to make this 100 days count, or how much of incentives they are going to give? No, the thing is, the recruitment process itself is going to take a period of around 2 to 3 months, because they will tell center will not form guidelines, they will tell health in the state segment. Within the state itself, different states are going to form different guidelines. By the time everything is ready, by the time administrative process takes toll, it is going to be, 2 to 3 months a period of time. And within this 120 days, that is before their exams, if you are saying 100 days you have to produce certificate, what if somebody gets infection? What about somebody who does a 99 days duty? What about doctors who have been contributing in the pandemic for more than 1 year? Are they going to, all these things are, you say Jumla, so, that is like, creating
do you want to hire?
No, I'm saying it is like to create
a hype amongst Jumla, but what do you want? You want higher salaries? You want higher salaries? You want higher stipends? What do you want? Do you want the exams to be held now?
The thing is, when it comes to, NEET PG, there are students who are preparing for more than 1.5 years now. There may be very tiny, small fraction of students who say postponement is good. They are the students who have just passed out of internship, like who have not prepared enough. But let me tell you, exam was supposed to happen in Jan. Now it is like 1.5 years that the exam is not happened when compared to last exam. When elections can happen, when rallies can happen, when all the religious, gatherings can happen. Why can't exams can happen for nearly 140,000 doctors in entire India who are qualified doctors? You cannot tell that they would be breaking COVID protocol or they are going to do, some mischievous activity. They are qualified doctors. See, the most funniest and the most ridiculing thing is, they said conducting an exam would expose them for infection. Now the same authorities are telling, let them put them to COVID duties. That is the irony.
You have hit the nail so hard on the head that someone should be reading. Dr.